Welcome to Everyday Delights. Let's prepare the perfect pair for rains, cheese and corn pakoda. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss a recipe. These are one of the easiest fritters you'll ever come across and gets ready to fry within minutes. Let's mix coarsely chopped corn, finely chopped onions, some finely chopped green chilies as per your taste. Add some black pepper, a little red chili powder and turmeric for color, and a good amount of chaat masala or amchur powder. For binding, we are going to use besan or chickpea flour and rice flour. You can even add corn flour, it'll be just as crispy. Adjust the salt depending on the amount of chaat masala or besan that you add. Mix everything well. And add very little water until you get such a sticky batter. Fry small dollops of this ready batter in hot oil. Keep stirring and moving so that they don't stick together. And once they are golden brown, they are ready to serve. Add some fresh coriander and chaat masala on top and serve hot with our tomato garlic chutney. You can find the link for the chutney recipe in the description. And try this combo today.